This last profile operation will finish the 1/4 inch floor radius on the underside of the part. First, double-click on the operation name in the CAM Manager to open the dialog. In the Geometry branch, we can see the chain is defined as the bottom edge of the radius. For this operation, we will use a 1/2 inch diameter ball mill, and the tool side will be set to center. During simulation, we will see the 5 thou floor offset is left after the first roughing pass, and then removed by a finishing pass. Also, take notice that a 10 thou arc is being used for lead in and lead out in the link branch. Now, let's take a look at our toolpath at work. Click Simulate and then play the simulation in HostCAD. Next, let's use Solid Verify to view the cutting tool as it finishes the 1/4 inch floor radius on the underside of the part. And this concludes Exercise 2 of the iMachining Professor Jumpstart series, iMachining of a bracket. Thanks for watching. We hope that you found this example illustrating the use of SolidCAM's iMachining technology to be very helpful. Please stay tuned for Concluding with iMachining Professor in Chapter 7 of the Interactive Jumpstart PDF. There, you'll see another video tutorial collection that will provide you with further knowledge and practice with SolidCAM iMachining.